Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you on your location services in iPhone 13 guys. You want to know guys your location, so as you can on. And guys, now let's see how to own it in iPhone. So I first of all come in your phone setting app, and guys ignore this construction sound guys. Sorry for this sound. And guys, focus on my video. So as first of all guys, click on your privacy setting. As you can see location services, so as you can on this right side location services guys will on in your iPhone guys. Location services use a GPS, Bluetooth and cloud uh, Wi-Fi hotspot mobile. So I hope friends we have understood how to on location services in iPhone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. And guys, sorry for this contraction sound guys, sorry.